Confidence. Letting the world know who you are. Confidence is something that doesn't come naturally. It is built by experiences and challenges that illuminate who you truly are. I myself didn't start with a large amount of confidence. In truth, let's say I was timid. Someone who blends in with the crowd, never seeking to stand out. But look at where I am now. Speaking, standing in front of all of you. You may ask, what am I fighting for? Or what is my goal? And my answer to that is simple. In the world today, many talented people are hidden amongst the crowd just because they lack the strength to face the consequences that comes with sharing their thoughts and abilities. To that problem, I wish to create or change individuals into versions that maximize who they truly are, or what is their true potential. Individuals who know the full extent of their individuality and are not afraid to show it to the world. A person who can answer the question, who am I? A few years ago, I was a person who excluded themselves from other people, worried that they may judge me based on how I look, and regard me as someone who is strange. As you can see in the pictures here, and here. I was afraid of the idea of standing out, never risking or talking out loud, especially in front of other people. Even when concerning about my looks, I cover myself up with hats and masks because I'm afraid of being looked at differently. But then, one day at school, at a school project, I decided to try to be me, to share my thoughts and feelings regarding the subject. I can't explain how it felt, but if there's one word that I can describe it, it felt extraordinary. With time, I slowly, gradually opened up, meeting new people, trying new things, and joining events that I never in my life thought that I would be able to do. That marked the start of who I am. As you can see, here are some pictures here, and here. Confidence is not something to take lightly. It is a door that opens to new futures. It is the ability that is necessary for success. Each decision you make now, until the end of your life, confidence will be a deciding factor of your choices. Don't be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to fail and receive criticism of your work or the person that you want to be. Show the world who you are, and all loose banter will turn into applause. Wear your imperfections proudly, as if it's a fashion statement, because that's what makes us human.